How's it going, everybody? This is Jose from the Stock Market 101, and today we're basically going to be doing an overview of my Robinhood portfolio and all the different stocks that I have and what I plan to do with this channel and my goals for this channel. So let's get right into it. As you guys can see, today my portfolio just hit the $9,000 milestone today, all-time highs, which is awesome. And I've so far gotten a 1.56%, $130 to my portfolio. And for the past week, I have a 5% gain, which is around $450. It's beautiful. And for the month, 10% gain. And for my first year, I have a 28% gain, $1,974.82. And for my first stock that I have here, I have the almighty Apple, and I have a total of 8 shares with a total return of $357.64, which is 25% gain so far. For Apple being so huge, being a $1 trillion company, for this year it basically has a 40% gain, which is insane. And even though I believe that it might start slowing down in its gains, beautiful company to be in because it's the biggest company and it's fairly valued. And once the iPhones with 5G comes out, I believe that it'll keep growing. And also it has a nice dividend of 1.56%. And the next one we have here is Amazon. I have 2 shares and I have total return of $607.83, which is a 17.97% gain. And Amazon for the year is 112%. Jesus Christ. It's insane. And Amazon has a market cap of $941 billion, which I believe will hit $1 trillion and keep increasing. More and more people come online, such as some South Asian countries and some African countries. And more people will obviously be using Amazon for that. And even though it has a high PE ratio, Amazon is going to keep growing more and more and more. It can even become a $2 trillion company pretty quickly. And for the next stock that I have here is I have Netflix. I have 6 shares, and I'm actually down on my position because as soon as I bought into Netflix and they slowed down on the subscriber growth and the stock pretty much tanked. I pretty much got into like around here and then it tanked because it didn't meet the subscriber goals. But recently it started bouncing back because analysts increased their price goal basically. And I believe in Netflix, as long as Netflix can keep increasing its subscriber growth monthly, then I think it would be fine because it is the first on streaming service, and it does have a huge premium on it. And Netflix could increase its price a few dollars more monthly, and it will increase its revenue dramatically. The next stock that I own is Nvidia, and I have 6 shares with a $355 total return, which is around 27%. And for the year, it's on total of 71.66%. And its market cap is $166 billion. And it does have a small dividend yield, but it's like insignificant. And NVIDIA is one of the bigger chip companies. And with the advancements in AI, I believe that NVIDIA is going to keep growing and growing. The next stock that I have here is Facebook. I have 2 shares, and I'm down a little bit on this position. I want to start adding more shares to Facebook because of this dip right here. It was at around $217 and it dropped down to $170, which is $172, which is a huge dip. I believe it will go back to $217 and keep growing more and more. And Facebook has a market cap of $509 billion with a no dividend yield, but I believe Facebook will be a $1 trillion company because as more advertisers move from television to online, Facebook will be receiving the most benefit from everyone else because it does have the most people on their site. Freaking has Facebook and Instagram and all those other apps that they own. And the next one I have here is Tesla, and I have 5 shares at a total return of $21.19, 1.41%. Honestly, I was going to sell out of my Tesla shares once it was announcing that it was going to go private. Since it's not going private, I believe in this company, and I believe in Elon Musk especially. Tesla starts becoming profitable and starts producing more cars and gets into the energy business, I believe that this company can easily get to at least $200 billion market cap, if not more. So you can easily make good money. But right now it's super volatile. I'm going to start using the stock for for swing trading. You can get some nice swing trades in and get some nice gains from here. And the next stock I have here is Microsoft. And I have a total of 3 shares with a total return of $38, which is 12%. I also believe Microsoft will become a $1 trillion market cap. It's currently right now at $846 billion with a 1.7% dividend yield. And the next stock I have here is AbbVie. I have 8 shares in AbbVie, and I'm actually down in the position at 2.5%. Down $20. I wanted to get some more diversification in, so I chose a biopharmaceutical company, and AbbVie is probably one of the best companies out there for that. I also chose it because it has a decent dividend yield at 2.72%. And the next company I have here is Boeing. Boeing is actually has had a nice growth in the past year with 50%, and I have 2 shares with a total return of $7.81 at 1.13%. I wanted to get also more diversified, so I got into this aerospace company, and also it has a nice dividend yield of 1.93%. And the next company I'm in is Alibaba, and I have 7 shares, and I'm down in this position $67.34, which is 5.13%. Alibaba is pretty much the Amazon of China, and I believe it will keep growing to Amazon's size, even though it's only for the past year it's only been up 7.63%. It is also a very nice swing trading stock. As you can see here, it has really high points and really low points, so you can easily get into this stock, swing trade, and lower your cost basis on this. And right now the market cap's at $457 billion, which easily I believe it can hit $1 trillion. And it doesn't have a dividend yield, but I believe in this company's future. And the last stock I'm in is AGNC, which is a real estate investment trust. I have 22 shares, and I'm up $4.56, and I'm up $4.56 at 1.08%, and I'm up $4.56, which is basically 1% of my total equity. I'm in this stock because of the dividend yield that it possesses, and it's a monthly dividend, so every month you'll get a nice dividend, and I want to slowly grow my equity in this so I can have a nice monthly income. Okay guys, that's going to be the end of my stock portfolio overview. And basically for my next video, I'm going to be going over how and why I got into investing. And as for my channel, I want to start a paper trading account that I'll show religiously, and I'll be growing that account as much as I can. I'll also be going over stock market basics such as definitions, concepts, and frequently asked questions. So it'll be easier for everyone else to understand that's barely getting into the stock market. If anyone has any questions, drop it down in the comment section below. Also comment down if you have any stock market content of your own. I want to get more interactive with all of you guys and be a great part of this small little community on YouTube. And that's all for today. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.